generating $10,000 every single month in passive income, while genuinely putting in minimal effort, isn't just a fantasy. It's a sophisticated system I've meticulously crafted and now actively benefit from. My approach deviates significantly from traditional jobs or active trading. Instead, it centers on the strategic creation and automation of high-value digital assets designed to generate continuous revenue streams. The foundational step involves conducting deep, targeted research into specific market niches to pinpoint pressing problems that I can effectively solve through specialized information or unique tools. This critical research phase is paramount, as it directly guides the development of highly targeted digital products, such as comprehensive online courses, premium, downloadable guides, or exclusive membership content. The initial effort involved in building these assets was indeed substantial, demanding focused time and dedication to ensure unparalleled quality and user value. This meant meticulously researching content, expertly crafting narratives, designing engaging visuals, and rigorously testing to ensure the product delivered truly transformative results for a consumer. However, once the core product was perfected and launched, the intensive heavy lifting largely ceased, allowing my focus to shift entirely towards intelligent automation and scalable distribution. I deployed sophisticated yet user-friendly sales funnels, leveraging readily available and affordable platforms to completely automate the entire sales and delivery process. Consistent, targeted traffic is continually drawn in through evergreen content, such as insightful blog posts, value-packed YouTube videos, and informative social media snippets, all meticulously optimized for organic discovery. A crucial, non-negotiable pillar of this entire system is robust email marketing automation. This technology allows me to nurture leads, deliver incredible ongoing value, and drive repeat purchases without needing to engage in any manual, one-on-one outreach. The whole system operates on a continuous, self-sustaining loop. New prospects discover my valuable content, seamlessly enter the automated funnel, are effectively converted through compelling sequences, and then instantly receive their purchased product. Critically, I've outsourced or completely streamlined nearly all transactional processes and customer support functions through integrated platforms, ensuring a truly hands-off operation that requires minimal intervention. To further solidify the inherently passive nature of this income, I consciously avoided reliance on a single blockbuster product. Instead, I diversified my portfolio by creating multiple smaller, highly specific, niche-focused digital products. Each individual product addresses a unique market need or a particular segment, collectively compounding the overall monthly income to reach the $10,000 target. Furthermore, I strategically integrated carefully selected affiliate offers directly within my existing valuable content. These are exclusively products or services I genuinely use, trust, and enthusiastically recommend, adding another seamless layer of effortless income whenever someone clicks through and makes a purchase. My current ongoing involvement is genuinely minimal, primarily focusing on periodic performance reviews, occasional minor content updates, and identifying new, small-scale opportunities for strategic expansion. This strategic approach has liberated an enormous amount of my personal time, granting me the freedom to pursue other passions, travel, or simply relax, all while consistent income steadily flows in. This is not a fanciful get-rich-quick scheme. It's a deliberate, methodical strategy for building a resilient foundation of digital assets that consistently generate substantial cash flow with remarkably little ongoing effort required. Imagine the profound freedom that comes when your financial stability is entirely decoupled from your active working hours. This system works so powerfully because it consistently delivers genuine, measurable value to a broad, engaged audience, entirely on autopilot.